Welcome to my backyard garden show, the Quebec Canadian way. Just so that you may know that a tropical garden can thrive almost anywhere. Some garden relief here for you. Here are some leftovers from this garden season for you. These leftover red kidney bean trash will be going back into mulching the soil come next year. Now, let me walk you through my tropical garden paradise right here in my Canadian backyard. Now, feast your eyes on some fever grass, otherwise known as lemongrass. A sprig ear of thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, dasheen, soursop, red peas, okra, turnips, and more, much more. Here, up close are the lovely Scotch bonnet pepper and the soursop, to go along with the others such as the dasheen, the fever grass, the thyme, and yet more thyme to come. Here, I am about to wow you now with some other surprises. Here is the second of my 2 Jamaican avocado plants. One is kept indoor all year round while the other, this one here, it is kept on the outside. I shall be telling you some more about that in a subsequent video. So, be sure to subscribe to the channel and come back here for more, okay? There is much more things in store for you here. This is it. This is the second avocado plant which I told you about earlier. The one which I kept on the inside all the time. It is an experiment that I'm trying here just to see what conditions will be better suited for the thriving of these tropical plants in a Canadian wintry atmosphere. From the looks of things so far, it appears as if keeping them indoor all year is the better option. What says you? Now, back to the outdoors and back to the gardening which we do here. Here are some other products which was reaped from the plot today. And they are readying themselves to get thrown into the cooking pot. At least some of them. Others will be thrown away. Those leftover peas trash, for example, well, we will find use for them too, come next year. Here are some other products reaped from the garden plot today. Sweet, wouldn't you say? And all of this would have happened right there in that garden plot in the farthest corner of my Canadian backyard. If it happened here, it can happen where you are too. Don't you think? I thank you.